And the app does have a lot of options for free, and it has a pro option called FaceApp Pro that gives you access to everything. It's $4 a month or $20 for an annual subscription. So make sure you know your options when you get the app. Go ahead and download the app. I'm gonna go ahead and open it here. And it's gonna have welcome screens to show you how the app works. And right here, it says try 3 days for free for the pro version, but the free version does give you a lot of options. So I'm gonna decline this offer. And here, there's some demo photos on top. I'm actually gonna show you with those how this works. There's a camera option where you could go ahead and take a picture, and you could allow photo access by pressing allow here to choose your photos from your library. But let me just choose a demo photo here. I'll choose this guy. And if you take a photo demo or one of your images, it's gonna take a second to load and analyze the picture. And once you get that, right here on the bottom, you see editor, fun, and layout, those 3 options here. Let's start with editor, and you see right here you have impression, smile, beard, and so on, all these options here. But to make ourselves look old, there is an age option, and right there's old. So press old, and you could do this to your own face obviously, or anybody's photo, and as you could see, it realistically shows you how the old person will look. And if you press the before and after icon right here, you could show the difference between before and after right here by looking at it this way. And when you're set and done, go ahead and press apply, and it will apply the image. Now, to save or share it, on top, you could press that upload option and you could save as an image here, or you could press the save and share option, and you could see you have all these options: share on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. I'm gonna exit out of there. And you could press the plus sign to add it to a side-by-side here and save that if you wanted to do that as well. Let me choose one of the female images here and show you some of the other options here. Right here under editor, you have fun, and fun has some of the more premium options here that you could try out. So you could try some of these filters. Again, a lot of these are gonna require the premium option. And you have layout, where you could basically have multiple different versions of yourself here by pressing plus and changing it and adding multiple versions. The mirror, the lens, and all of it are going to be available here. And by pressing plus, you could add the other versions of yourself. For example, with bangs or with the old face, you could add those all in this demo layout. And to choose your face, press the camera right here under faces, and it will give you access to your camera if you give it permission, and you could choose your own face. Also on the bottom of the page, you have sources where you're choosing your images from. So you have your photos on Facebook, but you also have celebrities you could choose from, and choose famous people here and apply these filters to their faces as well.